at that snow. That's how much we've gotten. I don't know where my tape measure is or my ruler. Wow, and it's still coming down. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yes, it's still coming down. Oh my gosh. There's my car. Let me put it sideways. There's my car. Oh my God. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. There's my meter, my electric meter. Wow, look at all that snow. And yes, I had a hard time opening my door again. Ah, this is a lot of snow. Let me see if I could see Bella. Look at Bella. She loves the snow. And she's getting soaked. Bella. Hi. Bear, of course, is in the house. Here's my snow and water dog. Jeez, look at that. Here's a close-up of my porch. What's it called? Get over here. Bella. Ian, you're gonna stop. Bear. And there's Bear. He decided to come out. They're like little kids. They love the snow. Here's the railing. See all that snow? And look, it's still coming down. I don't know if you can see it, but it's still coming down. Ah!